Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Belk Credit Card, online account management step by step clearly. Open a secure web browser on your phone or computer. Type the official Belk Credit Card login website address in the address bar. Press enter and wait for the login page to fully load. Check that the page is secure by confirming the correct domain and the padlock icon. Locate the sign-in section on the page. Click or tap on the field labeled User ID or Username. Enter your Belk Credit Card online account user ID carefully. Click or tap on the field labeled Password. Enter your password exactly as you created it, including any uppercase or special characters. If you are on a personal device, you may select Remember Me only if you trust the device. Review your entries to avoid common typos like extra spaces. Click the Sign In or Login button to access your account. If you are prompted for a verification code, choose your preferred contact method. Enter the one-time code you received and submit it to complete verification. Once logged in, confirm you are on your account dashboard. To view your balance, find the section labeled Account Balance or Current Balance. To check recent activity, open Transactions or Recent Purchases. To make a payment, select Payments and choose Make a Payment. Enter the payment amount and select your payment date. Choose your bank account if it is already saved, or add a new bank account if needed. Confirm the payment details and submit the payment. To set up AutoPay, go to Automatic Payments and follow the on-screen instructions. To update your profile, open Settings or Profile Information. To change your password, find Security Settings and select Change Password. If you forgot your login details, click Forgot User ID or Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Follow the recovery prompts and create a new password if required. When you finish, click Log Out to keep your account secure. Close the browser window, especially if you used a shared or public device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.